boys and girls. So recording started, which I think it has. And yes, I'm going to show everyone Smartsheet. I've never used this program. I know I have probably a bit more skill than most, but I'm going to get all the information from our activity list. I'll get this video done as quick as I can, and I'm going to copy all that. So 16 items. Now this is just a small program. Down to 16, I think it is. All right, there we go. Then I'm going to get my predecessing list. Remember, the first one is not have a figure because it's the first item. Okay, that seems to be working. And then my duration. So 16 items. So this can go in pretty quickly, as you can see. Oh, no, duration, sorry. And then start would be possibly today. And that program is almost complete. Now, I am just doing a practical completion can be 0 days because it's a milestone, and so is the handover is a 0 day. Or you could be doing your defects list and have that as 1 day. Now, that is actually finished. I could snapshot that now and put that in there. How long has that taken? That has probably only taken a couple of minutes, if that. I'll take a snapshot and put that up in the lesson. All right, boys and girls, I hope that helps. I'll just maybe check on a couple of things. You can show different views. So we've got our grid view. The one that I noticed, which I probably like, because you could start referring that to others, you can see what's getting done within your calendar. Okay, I really like that one. I'll go back to the Gantt chart because that's the main one, because we want to be able to see the critical path, which I'm going to have to try and find where I can show that. But I do want to find out where I could download this as a PDF, because that's what we want to do for you, is to submit in the assessment. All right, thank you.